Hello friends, welcome to yet another episode of Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar. Friends, in this channel we are trying to bring to you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let's begin. So friends, first a reminder for those who have still not applied for these vacancies, hurry up as they will be expiring this week. First is the recruitment of 15 posts of accounts officer at Uttarakhand Power Corporation Limited. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or MBA Finance. Friends, the upper limit is 42 years, it's a permanent post and there is no compulsory experience required to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 11 lakhs gross and you have to apply first online by 16th April and send a hard copy of your application to Uttarakhand Power Corporation Limited latest by 26th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy which is expiring this week is the vacancy of 62 vacancies of assistant accountant and 8 vacancies of assistant accounts officer of the Punjab State Cooperative Supply and Marketing Federation Limited. Friends, here for applying to assistant accountant you should be a BCom with the specified computer courses mentioned in the advertisement. While for assistant accounts officer you should be either a BCom or MCom. Friends, the upper limit is for both the vacancies is 37 years, while as I said for assistant accountant there are total 62 vacancies, while for assistant accounts officer there are 8 vacancies. Friends, both are permanent vacancies, and to apply for assistant accountant even freshers are also eligible, while to apply for assistant accounts officer if you are a BCom you need to have 9 years of experience, while if you are MCom you need to have 3 years of experience. Friends, the initial basic pay for assistant accountant is rupees 35,400, while for assistant accounts officer it is 44,900. Of course there will be addition of DA, TPT, TPT, DA, NPS, HRA and other perks. Friends, you have to apply online latest by 12th April 2021. Now moving on to this week vacancies. The first vacancy is from the Power Transmission Corporation of Uttarakhand Limited for the recruitment of 4 posts of accounts officer at Uttarakhand. Friends, here the education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or MBA Finance or PGTM Finance with minimum 60% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 42 years. These are permanent posts and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, your per month pay scale would range between the initial basic of 56,100 to 1,77,500 and you have to apply online latest by 4th May 2021. Friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below, so those who are interested can directly click there and apply for their vacancies. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization. Here the recruitment is for 1 post of assistant law officer, again at the same organization as I said. Friends, here the age limit is 42 years, it's a permanent post and here you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 35,400 to 1,12,400 and you have to apply online latest by 4th May 2021. Moving on, the next vacancy is from Indian Air Force for the recruitment of superintendent store across its various commanding units and maintenance commands. Friends, education qualification asked is graduation. The upper limit is 25 years. There are total 60 vacancies on all India transfer basis. Friends, it's a permanent post. Friends, here they don't have asked for any compulsory experience. However, the desirable experience is in handling stores and keeping accounts in a store of a concern of repute in public or private sector. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline latest by 2nd May 2021 to the respective commanding units. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 49 posts of lower division clerk on all India transfer basis. Friends, here the education qualification asked is 12th pass from a recognized board with typing speed of English with 35 words per minute or Hindi with 30 words per minute. Friends, it's a permanent post and here even freshers are also eligible. The package would be 4 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline latest by 2nd May 2021. Next vacancy again from the same organization, that is Indian Air Force for the recruitment of 11 posts of storekeeper on all India basis. Friends, here the education qualification asked is 12th class or equivalent. Friends, the upper limit is 25 years. It's a permanent post and here again the desirable experience asked is in handling stores and keeping accounts in a store of a concern of repute in public or private sector. Friends, the package will be 5 lakhs gross and mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous slide. Moving on, next vacancy is from the Institute of Mathematical Sciences, which is an autonomous institute under Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 2 posts of upper divisional clerk at Chennai. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% and having typing of English with 30 words per minute. Friends, it's a permanent post and you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross. You have to apply online latest by 30th April 2021. Moving on, next vacancy is from Power Finance Corporation Limited, which is a Government of India undertaking for the recruitment of 2 posts of manager at New Delhi. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or a BCom with 2 years MBA or PGP or PGDM or PGDBM or PGDBA with specialization in finance is also eligible. Friends, the upper limit is 37 years. It's a permanent post, but you need to have 7 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be range between the basic pay of 80,000 to rupees 2,20,000. Friends, you have to apply online latest by 23rd April 2021. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 2 posts of Deputy Officer Legal. Friends, here the education qualification asked is graduation in any discipline with LLB of 3 years with minimum 55% marks or having 5 years integrated law course with minimum 55% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 32 years. It's a permanent post and you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the per month pay scale would be 40,000 to rupees 1,40,000 rupees basic. Friends, you have to apply online latest by 23rd April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is for the recruitment of the post of CEO at the Andhra Pradesh State Cooperative Bank Limited. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation with Certified Associate of Indian Institute of Bankers or Diploma in Banking Finance or Diploma in Cooperative Business Management or equivalent or a Chartered Accountant or Cost and Management Accountant. Even friends, post-graduation degree holder are also eligible to apply. Friends, the upper age limit is 62 years. It's a 1 vacancy post at Vijayawada. Friends, again a permanent post, but you need to have 8 years of experience in banking sector to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the per month pay scale would be starting with the basic of 59,170 to rupees 66,070 rupees, and you have to apply offline latest by 26th April 2021. Moving on, next vacancy is from Bihar Public Service Commission for the recruitment of 24 posts of lower divisional clerk. Friends, the education qualification asked is 12 pass. Friends, the upper limit is 37 years. It's a permanent post and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, your package would be 4 lakhs gross and you have to apply online latest by 16th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Green Gas Limited for the recruitment of Officer Finance. Friends, education qualification asked here is either a CA or CMA qualified or MBA Finance with minimum 60% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 26 years. They have not disclosed any number of vacancies, but all will be permanent posts and even freshers will be eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 5.3 lakhs gross and you have to apply online latest by 29th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Guwahati High Court for the recruitment of lower division assistant or copyist. Friends, the educational qualification asked is graduation in any discipline. Friends, it's a 80 vacancy post and the upper limit is 40 years. Again a permanent post and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 14,000 to rupees 60,500. Plus there will be an addition of grade pay of rupees 6,200 and you have to apply online latest by 17th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Mizoram University for the recruitment of lower divisional clerk and there are total 3 vacancies. Friends, the educational qualification asked is 12 pass with English typing speed of 30 words per minute. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years. It's a permanent post and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 4 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline to the university latest by 30th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is for the recruitment of 1 post of finance officer again at Mizoram University. Friend, this is a tenure post and you need to be having master's degree with at least 55% to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the upper limit is 57 years and as far as experience is considered, you should be having 15 years of experience in academic level 11 as assistant professor or 8 years of experience at level 12 as associate professor or 15 years of experience in admin. Even friends, a CA or CMA with 15 years of experience is also eligible to apply. Friends, the package per annum would be 26.85 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline latest by 20th April 2021. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from National Handloom Development Corporation Limited for the recruitment of young professional or consultant or senior consultant. Friends, the educational qualification for all the 3 types of posts is same, that is graduation degree or 2 years PG diploma in management or designing or MBA or LLB or CA or CMA or possessing any professional degree earned after a study of 4 years or more acquired after your 10+2. Friends, the upper limit is for young professional is 35 years, while for consultant it is 50 years, while for senior consultant it is 58 years. Friends, there are total 8 vacancies of young professional, 2 vacancies of consultant and 2 vacancies of senior consultant respectively. Friends, all are contractual posts, and experience, as far as experience is concerned, for applying to young professional you should be having experience between 2 to 5 years, for consultant 6 to 15 years, while for senior consultant 16 to 25 years of experience is required. Friends, you will get a per month consultant amount of rupees 50,000 in case of young professional, 80,000 in case of consultant, while 1,25,000 for senior consultant, and you have to apply online latest by 20th April 2021. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from National Sanskrit University for the recruitment of 3 posts of lower division clerk at Tirupati. Friends, here the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree with English typing speed of 35 words per minute or Hindi typing speed of 30 words per minute. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. It's a permanent post and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. Friend, the package would be 4 lakhs gross. You have to apply offline to the university latest by 16th April 2021. So that's all for this week, friends. I hope the video was useful. See you all next week with all the latest updates. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.